Okay, so now I'm in the Cobalt. As we can see here, it's completely different. It looks really different besides the computer, but it should be the same. So what we're going to do is, since we're not getting any readings or anything, it's just got check engine light because of let me actually pull it up here. Yeah, it's got check engine light because the car's not on. So once I start it up, start it up perfectly fine. What we'll do is we're not getting any codes, so nothing's wrong with the car. Go to the dashboard, and as we can see, we are running. We do have our RPMs up. It does give you temperature, it does give you all that. But like I said, I'm not going to drive with this to show the miles per gallon or instant miles per gallon or that kind of stuff. So this actually gives you basically all your basic needs of a dash. So to compare to the car, basically we're sitting about 1,000 there. It gives you more precise numbers, so about 1,000 to 970, which is actually normal for this car. So overall, it actually looks pretty good, and I'm pretty sure I'll end up using this software in the future to pull codes, to clear codes, and all that kind of stuff. Like, you can run logging to see what's going on, like the car speed. Like, let's say somewhere you have a child, or you just want to see at your average speed. Well, there you go, you can log that out. Basically, if you're suspecting something's going off with like a timing issue or that, you can run it off this. Get your fuel rate, all that kind of stuff. So it's actually a really handy tool for especially people who are really into cars and want to know more about their car and that kind of stuff. Really, if I was able to get this to work on the Raspberry Pi, it would be amazing. But just the way they're set up won't allow me to actually run this program on there, since this is a Windows only program. But it does give you a lot of information you can work with. The next thing I want to try and do with this is try and work on getting a boost gauge to work, because as we can see here, I do have a boost gauge and it does work, it does run. This car is supercharged, so it does have boost, but I want to see if the program will actually pick that up out of OBD2, and hopefully I can put that into the custom gauge cluster that I'm going to be building.